I'm going to get afternoon snacks ready to go while my kiddos are still sleeping. I'm going to give them some cinnamon raisin bagels with cream cheese on them. And then I've already got their little, I'm going to use these little snack trays today. And then everybody's going to get a little dish of blueberries that I've already got dished up here. I'm going to do snacks for 10. Well, I'm going to do 2 later for my after school kids. So 10 total. I was scrolling through TikTok. Have you guys seen I think they're pronounced, I'm not sure how they're pronounced. The little mice? Yeah, I just fell down the little mice hole. I ordered a mom and dad set for them, a big sister, and a little brother. I mean, I have ordered so many new things for these kids around here lately. They think it's like Christmas. That's okay. They're only little ones.